Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. To those who have subscribed before, thank you very much, and to everyone who is new here, I really appreciate you, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. In my previous video, I showed us how to make this scrunchy hairband using the plastic hairband inside of it. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to make this hairband but using the elastic inside of it. On the screen is a list of the materials needed for this tutorial. Here also are the measurements needed. Please do well to take a screenshot of it. I'll proceed with picking up the main piece, and then on the length part I'll measure out 4 inches, and then on the width part, which I folded into 2, remember we are using 7, so on folds it's going to be 3.5. I'll be marking out 0.5, and this 0.5 is where I'll be sewing from. So I'll just use my ruler, my rule, to join the line, join them together, the 0.5 that I measured on the width part, and then the 4 inches I measured on the length part. I'll join them together, and then I'll repeat the same procedure for the other end. While we are getting that done, if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so, and please do not forget to like our videos. You can share with your friends, you can leave comments, ask questions. All of these have a role to play. It goes as far as supporting us and then encouraging us to do better. So back to the video. When I'm done with this procedure, I'll go ahead to repeat the same thing for the elastic casing. I'll go ahead to do the measurement of 4 inches by 0.5 inches, and that's where I'm going to be sewing. I'll take into my sewing machine, and then I'll go on to join them. When that is done, I'll use my safety pin to turn them in. You have to work with the right side. The right side, since it's satin material, I'll need to work with the shiny part. So I'll go on to turn what I've sewn in, leaving me with the shiny part of the satin material. I've successfully turned them in. I'm going to continue by fixing the elastic into the elastic casing, and also the lining material, the satin which I'm going to be using as lining material. I'll fix it into the main piece. So with my needle, I'll attach the elastic at one end, and then with the safety pin, I'll go on to pass the elastic into the hole that have been created. I'll go on to pass the elastic into it. When I'm done with that, I'll take my office pin and hold it down, and then I'll repeat the same thing for the other piece, the main piece, by attaching my lining to one end of the fabric, and then with my safety pin I'll pass it into the hole, and then attach it down there. Still use my needle, my office pin, to hold it down. Take the both of them, that's the elastic casing and the main piece, to the machine, and then get it sewn. Now we've achieved that, the other important part I would like you to pay attention to is attaching the elastic to the main piece. Okay, so please do well to ensure that you are seeing and watching what I'm doing. I'll take one end, the front part, I'll place it against the other front part of the main piece, and then fold it in. I hope you saw what I did. Fold it in with my office pin. I'll hold that down, so that when I take it to my sewing machine, I'm sewing. Just watch out so that you really get what I'm doing. I'll repeat the same process for the other parts. Like I said, I'll take the front parts to face the other part, the other front part, and then I'll close it together, overlapping them. So when I take this to the machine, I'm going to be showing you next how to turn it in, so that you have it all tucked in, and then you're having a neat finished work. Alright, so now I've successfully sewn that down. I'll go on to tuck it in. Like I already mentioned, I'll go ahead to turn it in. This is how it's done. Carefully do that, so don't spoil anything. Okay, so I have this is neatly tucked in. I'll go on to cut off any fraying fabric, any fraying piece. That is it. We're done with our elastic scrunchy hairband. You can use any fabric